Morning, friends. Now, here we are going to continue the unit 1 of the analytical chemistry. The next topic of the unit 1 is the quality in analytical chemistry. In that, we are to see the concept of quality, quality control, and the quality assurance. Now, quality is very much important in case of the analysis point of view. When we talk regarding the analytical chemistry, as you know, in the analytical chemistry, always there is the identification, then estimation, then determination, prediction. These all terms are there in the analytical chemistry. Means in itself it indicates the analysis. Analysis is nothing but the you have to identify it, you have to estimate it, you have to predict it, you have to investigate it, and so on. But while in case of the chemistry, in general chemistry, the quality matters. Whenever we goes in the mall or say at any shop, we purchase the quality product. In each and every case, the person tries to purchase the quality product. See, in the market you can see so many types of the same products are there, but we are fan of the particular brand. Why it is so? Because the particular product, let's say we can talk like this. If we are talking regarding the soap, Dettol is having the particular brand, Lux is having the particular brand, then Lux is having the particular quality, Dettol is having the particular quality, and so on. For each and everything, there is a matter of the quality. While purchasing or while using anything, the peoples are looking for the quality product. Also, the cost is there, but for the timing, we will discuss only for the quality. That's why the concept of quality is very much important. How that quality will maintain? In the industries, there is the department R&D. That R&D does all this part, because production department is different. Whatever is done in the production department, that can be analyzed, that can be their quality can be controlled by the R&D department. That's why the quality of the product is very much important. If you are producing something and it has the qualitative values, it has the some extra values than the other, then you will get the good market for your product. If you are not producing the quality product, then you will not get that much response from the market. That's why the concept of quality is very much important. Quality means what? There should be the certain standards. That can be there in our product. You will see concept of quality. Now, quality refers to the certain standards and the ways and means by which it can be achieved. I said earlier, there should be quality product. Means, what is a quality product? I said so many brands of the soaps is there, but each soap brand is having their own standards. own parameters, and that should be maintained. Quality is the totality of the featured totality of the features and the characteristics of a product or a service that bears on its ability to satisfy the given needs. It is very much important. The features and the characteristics product or a service that bears on its ability to satisfy the given needs. Quality can be defined as, not the actual definition of the quality. Quality can be defined as fitness for use, degree of excellence, customer satisfaction, delighting customers, freedom from defects or contamination. Quality can also be expressed by simple formula Q is equal to P by E. Now, consumer related definition of the quality. Quality is a key attribute that the customers use to evaluate product or service. Then quality is achieving and exceeding customer expectation in order to provide business for the future. See, it is very much important. What is the concept of the quality that we have seen? First of all, there should be the certain standard, the ways and the means by which it can be achieved. It is the totality of the features and the characteristics of a product or a service that bears on its ability to satisfy the given needs. It can be defined as, quality can be defined as fitness for use, degree of excellence, customer satisfaction, delighting customers, freedom from defects or contamination. These four parameters are very much important. Which are those? One, there should be the how it will fit for the use. Then how it will be the excellent from the other. Then how the main, whenever we are producing the any product, at that time its sale is very much important, means attraction of the customer is very much important. When customer will satisfy by that particular quality level, then and then only we can say our product is quality one. Delighting customer, we have to attract the customer. Then freedom from the defects. Our product, or so whatever product produced by the any producer, that should be free from the defects or any contamination. The simple formula is there for to express the quality. Q is equal to P by E. Consumer related definition of the quality is nothing but the key attributes that the customer use to evaluate product or service. Quality is achieving and exceeding customer expectation in order to provide business for the future. I said, once you are giving the quality product, automatically it will give you business to you in the future, near future, and it should be there. That must be happen. If you are providing the quality product, automatically you will get the good business. And for this purpose only, that particular producer is working. Quality is very much important in all the production factories or the production industries. Now the second concept is the quality control. Now, as I said, concept of the quality, the same. Now, when the quality is important, their control should be there. That's why quality control is very much important factor. Quality control is defined as the operational techniques and activities that are used to fulfill requirements for the quality. See, what is the definition? Definition is very much simple. It is defined as the operational technique and activities that are used to fulfill requirements for quality. That I say, when the quality issue is there, that means there should be some technique which can monitor the quality of the product. The primary step involved in ensuring the quality is quality control. Alternatively, according to Association of Official Analytical Chemists, ACAC, AOAC, Association of Official Analytical Chemists, AOAC, the quality control incorporates plan activity designed during manufacturing and analysis to provide a quality product. A quality control can be divided into four parts. First is the plan, second is the do, third one is the check, and the fourth one is the act. This simple formula PDCA means plan, do, check, act applies to all situations and areas where quality control is required. You know, some parameters on any product while you are purchasing from the shops or say malls or from the market, you can see on the back of that particular item or say product, you can see the description, ingredients and their composition. How that had been written? By the analysis. After the checking, they are predicting that in that particular product this much thing is available, this much thing is present, this particular things are there. Means quality control is very much important parameter, because whenever we have to design, whenever we are planning to produce anything or say before manufacturing anything, we have to plan, we have to design the way where the quality parameters will be maintained. These four main pillars are there. Planning should be proper. You know, planning means while preparing anything, first of all we are writing the scheme, then whatever we have planned, accordingly we have to do. Then whatever we have did or say whatever we have done, we have to check it. It happens, it has same composition, or say the product has been formed according to our plan or not, that we have to check. And according to whatever the our planning is there, whatever we have done, and after checking we should have to act accordingly. That's why This formula PDCA is very much applicable in the situations and area where quality control is required. Quality control is very much important concept that I said. All point of view, quality control is very much important. I think so you got this point. We have seen the first concept is the quality, then the second is the quality control. It is again the very much important parameter. Now the third part is the quality assurance. Now whenever you are talking regarding the quality, their assurance should be there. It can be defined as the plan and systematic activities. What I am saying, quality assurance defined as the plan and systematic activities necessary to provide adequate confidence that an entity will fulfill requirements for quality. See, assurance is very much important. As I said, so many brands are there for the one product. They are fulfilling the minimum requirements. They are giving the some particular extra things in that their product, and that's why the people are attracted towards the different brands in the for the single product. That is due to the quality assurance. Quality assurance is nothing but the plan and systematic activities necessary to provide adequate confidence that an entity will fulfill requirements for the quality. For quality assurance, all the processes involved in the sequence leading to the finish. For quality assurance, all the processes involved in the sequence leading to the finished goods will have to be considered. Thus, quality assurance activities do not control quality. They establish the extent to which quality is being or has been controlled. And quality assurance activities are all quality assurance activities are post-event offline activities and serve to build confidence internally and externally. Then the next, it does not change product quality. Quality assurance is the result of examination and it prevents deviations. Now quality assurance that we have seen, quality assurance in that we have seen first of all the definition. The definition of the quality assurance is nothing but the plan and the systematic activities necessary to provide adequate confidence that an entity will fulfill requirement for quality. For quality assurance, all the processes involved in the sequence leading to the finished goods will have to be considered. Thus, the quality assurance activities do not control quality. They establish the extent to which quality will be is being or has been controlled. All quality assurance activities are post-event offline activities and serve to build confidence internally and externally. It does not change the product quality. Quality assurance is the result of examination. It prevents deviations. Means whenever any producer is producing the product, as that time I said three things should be there. First of all, it has to maintain the quality, then it has to control the quality, and that particular producer should have to assure to the customer that our product is the quality product. How it will done? Some techniques, some methodology that particular producer or say that particular firm or that particular industry will prepare to assure the quality of their product. Means I said the concept importance of the quality in the analytical chemistry. In that first topic we have seen that concept of quality, then the quality control and the quality assurance. Quality is very much important if any producer wants the good business or say good relation with the customer, then it has to produce the quality product. How it can be done? By controlling the quality and by analyzing the sample to assure or that product is quality product. I think so you got this concept very well. I might be thinking that you are enjoying these lectures. If you are having any doubt, any problems, you have to ask on the groups, Google Classroom or say Telegram group, and all have to attend this lecture. Please communicate to your all friends. If they are not attending the lectures, they should have to attend these lectures because they are very much important, because each and every part we are explaining here. If you are not getting that part, you are always free, always welcome to ask your doubts. Again, I am concluding this lecture. We have seen the three parts. One is the quality control. Second one is the first of all we have seen the concept of quality. In that we have seen the different definitions of the quality. Quality is what? Quality is according to the customer. Quality is what? Then we have seen quality control, how the quality can be controlled. Then that particular producer or say industry or say factory can maintain their particular standard. Then quality assurance, whatever the product that has produced, that should have to give the certain standards, should have to give the assurance to the customer. That was the first part of this particular lesson. Please go through all this part very well. I think so you have already written this note in your notebook. Whatever the correction I'm saying at that time, you have to make in this particular book. Please read it again and again, then your concept will get clear easily. Otherwise it will get difficult to understand. Please go through all the part very well. Again I am requesting you, if you are having any problem and a difficulty, you are free to ask. You are always welcome. You can ask on any way. You can make the personal message also.